How to turn off AirPlay on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off AirPlay on your iPhone. We'll cover how to stop AirPlay temporarily and also how to completely disable it. So let's get started. The easiest way to stop AirPlay temporarily is through the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Open your Settings app, scroll down and tap General. Look for AirPlay and Handoff under General and tap on it. You'll see the option to set AirPlay to either Automatic, Ask, or Never. Select Never to prevent AirPlay from automatically connecting to nearby speakers, TVs, or other devices. This means AirPlay won't be triggered next time you play a video or audio file. This is a great way to make sure that your iPhone doesn't accidentally start streaming content to another device. And that's it. That's how you can temporarily stop and completely disable AirPlay on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on your iPhone and other iOS devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.